Hello, I'm Luca and I'm a part of the Slovenian team participating on the Erasmus project in Turkey. It's 5 AM as we started to make our way to the Brnik airport, where we had to catch a Turkish Airlines flight to Istanbul at 9:20 AM. We got through check-in and security and then boarded the plane.
Going up the country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going up the country, baby, don't you wanna go? I'm going to some place I've never been before. I'm gone where the water tastes like wine. I'm gone where the water tastes like wine.
As we started our descent into Turkey, we overflew a huge storm. The flight got very bumpy at that point. It was shaking all the way down, but as we made our way lower, it got better and we had a pleasant landing.
Leave the city, got to get away. All this fussing and fighting, man, you know I sure can't stay. So baby, pack your leaving trunk, you know we're gonna leave today. Just exactly where
we got through border control with no issues, collected our luggage and then purchased bus tickets to Bursa.
It's a brand new game that I wanna play.
We hopped on the 3-hour-long bus ride, which had lots of beautiful views of northern Turkey. We got to the hotel, unpacked our bags and then went out to the city for dinner. The hotel rooms were average and quite poorly built. We had dinner at the shopping center. After we got dinner, we went back to the hotel to sleep. Day 2. After being woken up by the nearby mosque, I got ready and went to get some breakfast. The breakfast was actually pretty good.
English.
At 8:40 our taxis arrived, and after a funny and rather dangerous taxi ride, we finally got to see the school. After getting to the school, all the participating countries had presentations about their schools and culture. We ate at a local restaurant which had pretty good but expensive Turkish food. The chai was free though, and I found it to be a luscious drink. Day 3. Once we got to the school by an, again, terrifying taxi ride, we started on our mission for today, which was to connect the sensor and Bluetooth module to the Arduino. After completing all the tasks, we hopped on a bus and went to a nearby aerospace factory. We got to see the training equipment, and some of us even got to try a virtual emergency simulation.
And also the jewelry exam and then stroke.
After getting back from the factory, we ate at a shopping center and went back to the hotel for rest. Day 4. At school, after we got introduced to C++ and making the code for the Arduino, the music teacher came and sang a Turkish song.
Oturdum kaldım, şehit olanları deftere yazdım, şehit olanları.
Following our classes came the lunch. We ate kebab at the best kebab place ever, Kiralik. After the kebab, we met with our teachers at a Russian cafe and made our way to the bus.
Böyleymiş ey garip ana, canım feda olsun aziz vatana. Bozulmuş düşmanlar gel gibi kaçar, bozulmuş düşmanlar.
The bus took us to a historic place built by the Ottoman Empire, home to the tombs of some Ottoman leaders. It was quite interesting.
Yaşa Mustafa Kemal Paşa yaşa, adın yazılacak mücevher taşa.
Later, we visited the Great Mosque of Bursa, which is the biggest mosque in Bursa. It was quite interesting inside. We even had to take off our shoes.
Deftere yazdım, şehit olanları deftere yazdım. Öksüz yavruları bağrıma bastım, öksüz yavruları.
After the tour, we walked to the bazaar, one of the biggest markets in Turkey, where we got some extremely strong original Turkish coffee. After the coffee, we walked around the market, looked at different stores, some of us bought something, and after that we made our way back to the hotel by bus. Day 5. Waking up to a rainy morning with a mosque in the background felt surreal. We ate breakfast and made our way to the school, where we finished the application and completed the project. After that, the music teacher came again to play. When the clock ringed 12, we got in the bus and drove to a lake. We visited a church and a very old tree, which was kinda interesting. In the evening we went to a fancy restaurant in the center of Bursa. The food was mouth-watering. Day 6. After a 40 kilometers an hour over the speed limit taxi ride to school, we had the principal speech, collected our certificates and signed some papers. In the evening we went to a steakhouse restaurant, which was the best restaurant I've ever been to. It was delicious food, filled with Turkish culture, and the chef was absolutely amazing. The last day.
Još su dolani moje noći, moji dani bili kaj karte razbacani.
I felt sad waking up, knowing that it's time to pack and go. We ate breakfast, and after a taxi and a bus ride to Istanbul, we met with our Italian friends at the airport one last time. We got some food and we boarded a plane for Zagreb.
Kad se ljubav dogodi I kad život pogodi, tu sam ja I tu si ti. Ako te pitaju moja ljubavi, jel nam lipo reci je.
After a 2-hour flight to Zagreb, a small medical emergency, and a 1-hour drive, we arrived back to Slovenia. The project was one of the best experiences of my life so far. I met some amazing friends which I'm planning on visiting ASAP, and overall I learned a lot of new things. But as it is with everything, it came to an end. Thanks for watching.